Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk about the 4th of July. Yes, I know it's only the 2nd, but do you have a plan in place for dealing with the effects of the 4th of July? Do you have fire-safe fireworks if your area allows it? Do you have garden hoses ready in case there's someone else is using illegal fireworks that causes a fire on your property? Do you have a plan to deal with the noise for yourself, your children, and your pets? So this is going to be kind of a short one, so just think about it. Get ready for the 4th of July. I mean, already here, people are already setting off fireworks and stuff and have been for the last couple weeks. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and plant an indoor garden and plant an outdoor garden. Grow food, because what's in store is no longer safe.